Hey guys, today we're doing a review video on the Bluetti AC200P. The guys at Bluetti have sent it out to us to review, and this is the first time we've had it out of the box. We charged it last night and we'll show you what it's about. It is a 2000 watt hour unit and it's got a built-in AC 2000 watt inverter. It's also got multiple USB points and you can charge it multiple ways. On the top it also has a couple of wireless chargers, which makes it really convenient if you just want to drop your phone on and charge while you're hanging around the camp. First things first, we're going to test out a NutriBullet and a coffee machine because Chelsea hasn't had a coffee yet and she's hanging out for one, and we'll see how they perform. So to turn on the AC, on the front here there's a little display. Press AC and on, and that kicks the inverter on so it's not running all the time. All right, kick it in the guts.
I might have made my smoothie a bit thick.
That's worked really well though. It's kicked on and it still hasn't dropped below 100%.
All right, let's give it another go. Still 100%. Oh, 99.
Yeah, we've cracked 99. So that's really good. It's handled that quite well.
Yeah. Considering
the NutriBullet's about 1000 watt and it draws a fair chunk of power.
Also, keep in mind, we've actually got the phones charging at the same time. We totally forgot. So that's pretty good, 99%. Time to make a coffee. So I've just warmed up the coffee machine and it's gone down to 98%.
Very nice. While that coffee was running, you can actually monitor how much power usage you're using, and that peaked at about 1200 watts. So it'll handle a coffee machine super easy. There are a couple of ways to charge this while you're out on the road. You can plug it into the car, so the car charges it while you're traveling. There's an AC adapter, so you can charge it at home before you go, and it takes about 5 hours to charge completely full. There's also a solar input, so you can buy a solar panel and plug that straight in so you can have endless power while you're traveling. It's got a really cool modern touchscreen display which lets you turn the DC and AC on and off, and it shows you all your power usage and how much power is left in your battery.
It wouldn't be an honest review video if we didn't do some cons as well. So these types of units are really quite heavy. I think this one's 27 kilos. So I do struggle to take it in and out of the car. So that is definitely a con. Although these units are quite big and heavy, they do replace a permanent lithium setup in your car. So you can pull them in and out if you are just a weekender traveler, say. This unit does come in at $2,400. So a much cheaper alternative than if you were to get a permanent lithium setup in your car. We hope this review video has been interesting and helpful. If you've got any more questions, feel free to pop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Or alternately, you can email or message Bluetti. They are on Instagram and usually reply to you super quick.